What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on the cell, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. And a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So, my people, you are going now. Me I tell you, saying, you know much time me tired for talk to the umbre them, you know. Me tired for tell them, say, talk, make pum this track, you know. Me tired for talk to you know, brother. When you couldn't listen, man, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, and for telling the people the type of pum where these men keep on fighting and warring over in a Jamaica, all over the world, all over the globe, because you know, see the different type of story where me I cover, and I tell the man them so them for bill, stop, make puni destroy, you know, brother. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So now, my people, another instant, you know, we're going up on Sunday, because it's a Sunday, my people, it seems like the knife thing into play all across the world, you know, my people, especially in Jamaica and the Caribbean, my people, like it's a knife day upon the Sunday, because Sunday the 15th, my people, are 3 different story I covered, you know, about that, you know, and a knife use night, you know, my people, 3, you know, on Sunday, January the 15th, 2022, no joke about it. So, this thing I'm going to talk about now, my people, them say this something that a chuck stop. You know what I mean? Chuck stop. And any Jamaican, especially when a Senton, and especially always I go down on the west side where people passing to Trelawney, going Discovery Bay, going down to Mobile side where people, you must know chuck stop, because anybody pass this, so them always say, oh no, it's a yow, a chuck stop this, you know. So chuck stop, my people, that they between CLM and Runaway Bay in a Senton there. So yeah man, right down this up on the flank, my people. And this is a part when normally lot of chuck would have stop overnight. You know when chuck deliver them container and them thing, my people, them they call it them look a rest stop. And this is how you find lot of women who do business people who sell a ton. You understand? Hustle for the ton, my people. See? So you know that's how you have like in a local section, different bars, and you have local clubs and things. Yeah, and a couple hotel, like, you know what I mean, one night hotel and them something where they call a local hook shop and them something they close by, you know what I mean. Good hotel they same speed and no joke about it, my people. So them say now at a local club like, you know what I mean, local party a go on and thing, my people. So our brother did it now, basically, he might beat up one of the women in the place of people. You know what I mean? A woman a hustle and sell her tons too. So them say like, he might beat her up to my people. He a man where, you know, like, he might beat her up. So, you know, say patrons and things in the place of people are spend their money. So a group of man them a people and them a enjoy themselves, you know what I mean? Man, you man a go and back it up and couple of them and a go on my people and thing and enjoy yourself. Man a buy rounds, man a buy liquor, you know what I mean? Man, maybe a dash little tip same speed, my people. But this same thing now, my people, who them say is a big man, you know. He man not a young boy, a big man, my people. See? So them say him now get jealous of the whole thing, my people. Him start make nice and them thing, my people. He might be aggressive, see? Other man, they not really pay him the mind, you know. You know what I mean? Because man, I enjoy themselves and tun corner, my people. Them not pay him the mind. Him start get hungry, pull knife and till things start escalate away, you know, my people. And that is where now a fight do ensued. You know what I mean? So with the other man, them over there, some people, and them start fighting people as myself as a knife into play. And in the end, my people, when them done, 4 of them receive cut, my people, from knife. 4. See, including this same thing and all my people who are make problem over the woman with their tun with a hustle. Yes. So the 4 of them now, people come so boom, dash them in a car, my people, quick, because you don't say sentence be there up so, you know what I mean, Brownstone, the pan the other way, Trelawney done some people. So the quickest way them could have reached is for go sentence be. So they manage to rush them, my people, speed off, you understand? Yeah man, no stopping my people, and reach up a hospital, emergency, boom, fling down everybody, my people. When doctor comes to boom and start work, my people, guess what happened? The one now who basically making the problem, who is the big man, he's the older one than anyone else, my people. Him pass out, him drop out, my people. Because you see, the one where him get a really crucial one. So the other 3, they were there, my people, them say, some of them, basically, them not too serious, but one of them kind of, you know what I mean? But basically, them are going to live look like my people. See? But in the end, 4 of them receive my people. And troublemaker, the man who them start everything over tons of people, him gone. Him gone. And look into it now, my people. Him is the big one. The youth them are the younger one. Him know the job where the woman them people are hustler. Them the right pan tun corner. This a hustling corner. You understand? When you see man pan them a corner, my people, then go and look things. When you see most time you see woman pan the corner, my people, 90% of the woman them pan the corner a hustler them. Yeah, few of the bar them you got some bar woman who also working, the people working a local cook shop and thing where you know not them thing there. See, but most of the woman them were did it, 90% of them are hustlers, my people. Them sell it, no joke about it. See, but him and himself now, my people, him like one ownership, him feel jealous. You know what I mean? And him can't tell my people, I buy him by too, you know. You understand? But him does feel see a female when he see, or him like, him this the old man, but in a female age now, my people, kind of hell out there, you know, my people. You understand? Him say, yo, them a young boy, a throw it and a back it up and a fling wine and a stab out belly. You know what I mean? Him feel jealous. I say, you know, can't deal with my things, so you know, on a phone, you know. You know, it's a timeshare thing, but you know, I take advantage of it. So it get jealous now when people get in a range and see the pull knife and them thing there, and you know, the whole process of the whole thing, my people. Sadly, I wish, sadly, you know, it's sad because somebody lose them life of people, but cause it pan him own self, all because of the tunes. So just a roll back to everything what me are telling my viewers and subscribers. Tunes, knife, everything. The man them saw, yo, you know, so stupid, bro. Me are telling the truth. You know, so stupid, you know, make these tunes keep and distract, you know. You know, I get angry. Yo, me know some things I used to go on, you know. But when think them thing I did finish, yo, when man stop behave like an idiot over pooms. For what? Right pan the corner where it sell. Look how much did they. If you feel mad in yourself about it, look how much did you could have go buy. You can't pick and choose pan the corner because me tell the people, them see a whole heap down there. A whole heap. Them say woman from different regions, from Clarendon, St. Catherine, you know what I mean, Portland, then come down, they come to them business of people right pan the corner. It's a known spot. Just like how you have back road up some people, you have the truck stop down there. So we are known spot for hustlers. We sell them thing in a Jamaica. And this same thing and now my people make it reach to a level, you know what I mean, get angry, get jealous over the woman pan the corner we are hustling tunes like a female, like him put in name pan and paste it up in there and plaster it up in there. So anything it want to happen, my people, you know what I mean, it have control of everything. And see that it gone now. The pan ice, the pan freeze. And in the end, what? The woman is there same way. Still I got hustle because I can guarantee and say, yo, yesterday upon the Monday, my people, because this occurred this Sunday, if you go down there, me know say the woman not agree for him. Me know say the woman not ball for him. And me can tell us say the woman dey on the corner, still a hustle the tun. But it dey on ice pan freezer, chill now, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And we can tell us say, them a man, you understand, if them is a regular man who got chuck stop my people, I can tell us say, as soon as them get healed up and thing and ready, my people, then gone back pan the corner. And who to tell say, this time them not go beat up Saka. Them a go trample it now and trample it for good and put it where if you go. You understand? Because the first time, you know, my people, it was where they were rolling a vibe, everybody a dance and a party. But me can tell us that this time going to be totally different. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. A straight attack, man. Man, for stop the fool over Tun. Stop make Tun distract on. Stop it, man. Wise up and have sense. Big old thinking, something like him, we have much experience and people. Look there now. Lose him life all because of pums and jealousy. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. But you don't know anything of my people. All me have to say is just big up on yourself, more love, more respect, more blessings, man. And thanks to the love, thanks to the like, the share, and every comment. So people, remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. And you don't know, say one team, one gym, one scheme. Put job people in front of everything. You understand, in the midst of everything. You wake up in the morning, in the night, no people put job first. You don't know, so remember, he's the king, my people. He's the true one, my people. And there's no other king that is greater than the Almighty. No matter them fake one, we see I come around, but them a king. I just one king, and that are the Almighty, my people up above, the man with all the powers for people. Give him thanks, give him praises on a daily basis, and a faith in him, because Jah is the true king, my people. So you don't know, stay safe out there, you know, and watch the road, you know, my people. Be good, be great, and be safe. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Subscribe.
Jano Star, I swear. My heart just sink a while ago, yo. You know, some of them at school. Everybody's supposed to know some I go GC. But they're at school and want something to drink. So I say, want a tropical rhythm. So no tropical rhythm never in the tuck shop. So I sorry them. I walk go to road. Me one of my friend. Walk across the road now. Everybody knows say out in front of the school is so busy. Okay, you have people where got Angels and you have people where are from Angels that got Spanish Town. And then you have the intersection where can carry you. Go Wolaba. Anyways, I get the tropical rhythm and I see this little girl, like she just come out of the taxi. So throw me up on the next side of the road. Me I go cross now, so me I ask her, me see you cross, you want somebody cross it, baby? She said no, she a cry. She not have no fear. So me I said, so now you say if you stop off, now you say driver let you off. She said no, she's supposed to go Spanish Town and the driver asked her for her fear. But she said she not have her fear. However, maybe her parents or somebody work at Spanish Town, so she said she had tell the driver say she could have just drop her at Spanish Town and she just go for the fear and carry come. $50, you know. $50. And the man let off the little girl, she don't know where she dey. She don't know nothing at all, she don't know where she dey. So me I say, you know she by there? She said no, she got Angels Primary. She wanna pass here so when she go to school at morning time. And you let half the people them pitney in a nowhere for $50. For $50. And it's not like the little girl never tell her say, yo, when she reach a Spain, she can go get the $50 bring Kongi. Me see the little girl a ball, me think say a too she can't cross because the car them a go up and down, up and down. And me I say, Jano Star. I just stop a taxi, put her up on the taxi, pay her fare and get $100 and say, yo, in case you have a next taxi for take, for go home, say $100 here. But me I look on it and me I say, yo, look how you just let off somebody picnic stranded. And then boop, Spanish out you that ear say, yo, the little girl missing, man take her away, man rape her for $50. For $50. I understand say yeah she fin no eat her for her lunch money and her fear. But good God man, $50 you gonna make somebody pitney get raped for? $50 you gonna make somebody pitney get abused and missing? $50 brother? $50. And if I did some little big batty girl we a show up the breasts and everything and beg her ride on that give the girl them a ride. Yo, Jano, yo, you said the country